You have seen so many waakye recipes here on YouTube, but they all either use leaves, that is waakye leaves, or bicarbonate of soda. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can cook waakye at home, like the street waakye you buy without leaves or bicarbonate of soda, or kiln, which we popularly call it in Ghana. Just your beans and rice, yet you will get the color of a street-style waakye sold in Ghana. I'm MICH. You're welcome to my channel, Yummy. So let's begin this recipe. So this is my rice and beans, and here is my soaked beans. It has already been washed, so I'm not going to discard the water, but rather cook it with the beans. I'll transfer it into the cooking pot and then add more of water to it. Now, always wash your beans before soaking it. Don't soak it, then you wash it when you are ready to cook it. I'll cover it and then transfer the beans to the fire. Okay, my beans is on fire, as you can see, so I'll leave it, and then as you can see, my waakye stew is here and it's popping. Yummy. This waakye stew recipe is anti-money waakye recipe. Okay, the beans, I'll be checking it occasionally to see whether it's soft. Here it's not soft, so I'll cover it and then after some time come back again. Okay, so this is it, and let me check. Good. I'm going to add in my rice, and the rice, it's preference. You can choose to wash your rice or just add it to your beans. It's your preference. I prefer this. That is why I am doing this. Macaroni is cooking. I would add my salt to taste and then add in enough water to enable the rice and beans to cook very well, because I want my waakye soft and like the anti-money waakye we buy. So you see, no added no added leaves or kiln or what, just the beans and rice recipe. Now you may be asking me, what is the name of this beans? I added salt, enough salt and enough water to it. Yes, so back to the name of the beans. This beans is called black thistle beans or black beans. Why I chose this beans? It has a lot of nutritional benefits, and also don't have to be I don't have to be taking out leaves after cooking. So yummy. Here you cover it with your aluminum foil or napkin, and then you leave it for some time to cook. And yummy, I present to you my rice and beans posing as waakye recipe. I mean Ghana waakye recipe. We've come to the end of this video, and stay tuned for my anti-money waakye stew recipe. Dankasa. So we meet again. Cheers.